Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, a black MB Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down 60/40 rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assists, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated logo when you open the door, illuminated star in the grille, advanced parking package with a 360 camera, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a pushed out ignition, multimedia package with navigation with voice command. Included in the advanced parking package is a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, Parktronic, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 37,961 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.